My network mainnet migration issue is solved. After watching this video, you are definitely going to thank me. So like you know, for the past months or even years, many people have been stuck in this Pi network mainnet migration, which feels kind of unfair because some of these pioneers have been on this project for the past 1, 2, 3 years or even more. So after all that, still waiting for Pi network mainnet migration sounds unfair, but you can actually do something about it than waiting for them forever. And that's why I'm here. Just make sure to watch this video to the end and also share it to those having Pi network mainnet migration issues. Let's get right into it. But please, before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Yes, turn on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop updates. And also use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram community. I will also drop the link in the comment section. Click on it and join. So all you have to do is to open your Pi network app. Wait for it to load up. Then come to this top line you are seeing here, these 3 lines. Then scroll down a little bit, tap on support portal. Just wait for it to load up. Then scroll up. So here all you have to do is to tap on Pi help in email request. Then scroll up. So here you can see you have some details to fill in these boxes in contrast to your complaint or report about your mainnet migration delay. Well, don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly what to do in each of these boxes. For a reminder, you might never come across this video again, so don't forget to subscribe or follow depending on where you are watching this video from. And also don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and community who might be having problem with their mainnet migration. So here you need to input your email address and Pi username. You know where to get your Pi username. When you go to your settings in Pi network app, under profile, you will see your username there. So subject, type mainnet migration. So under this description, you are going to describe the issue you are having with your mainnet migration. So just, it might be few words. Okay, let me show you an example of how to make a brief report. Okay, it goes like this. For over a year now, I have successfully passed my mainnet checklist, except for number 9, which is mainnet migration. Please attend to this as soon as possible. Thanks in advance. It might just be simple as that. Then if you have other problems you are having, you can add it there, provided the problem is related to mainnet migration. Another thing that would be really helpful to Pi support team and for you is to add a picture. Just a screenshot of your problem. Just go to that mainnet checklist and screenshot that number 9. Don't edit anything, just screenshot it and tag it. Tap on this browser and attach the picture there. Then you send it. That's how you make your report about your mainnet migration delay or other mainnet issues. Wait. So you watch this video from beginning to the end just to go away without liking, following or subscribing to it? Come on.